this video, I will show you how to send Bitcoin from Phantom Wallet to Coinbase. So if you want to do this, then the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up your Coinbase app, and then from here, go and click on transfer at the bottom right. And from here, go ahead and click on receive crypto. Once you are in here, you need to select Bitcoin. So I'm just going to select Bitcoin all the way at the top. So in here, you need to select the network, and I always choose the Bitcoin default network. And I have to say that if you select a different network and you do not match them on Phantom Wallet, then your crypto might get lost in the transfer. So I'm just going with the Bitcoin default. And now I'm going to copy this to my clipboard. And now I'm going to paste this in Phantom Wallet. So let's open that app right now. In Phantom Wallet, we're just going to click on send, and you can also click on Bitcoin down below and then send it from there. But I'm just going to click on send, select Bitcoin, and now I need to click on allow paste. And in here, I can just paste in the wallet address. So let's go ahead and do that. Click on paste, then paste it from clipboard again, click on next. And now we can enter the amount of Bitcoin that we want to transfer. So let's say I'm going to transfer everything I have. So let's click on max, and then I'm going to click on next at the bottom. And from here, I will see the transaction details. I will see what the network fee is going to be. I can check the selected network, and that aligns with my other wallet. So I'm just going to click on send at the bottom. And now we'll get a confirmation that it takes around 10 minutes to arrive. So let's go and click on close. So the transaction is now pending, and we saw that it will take around 10 minutes in order to arrive. So that is the waiting time. After the indicated waiting time, you will have your Bitcoin in your Coinbase wallet. So this is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.